Good morning, Bobcats. I am thrilled to be with you on another Together Tuesday. Boy, it was such a pleasure meeting so many of you on Saturday at the pumpkin patch. And it got me thinking a lot about the fall season and how much there is to enjoy together safely. I shared this quote with our teachers on Friday. Autumn whispered to the wind, "I fall, but always rise again." It reminds me of right now how the beautiful leaves we've been enjoying and fall splendor is getting ready to fall, and we will be shortly moving into winter. But that time always comes back around, and we have memories and we know we have things to look forward to. This lesson we could apply to life, whether it be how things are going for you with virtual learning, or perhaps a relationship in your life, or maybe even a goal you're working to achieve. We may fall, but we know we'll have faith that we will rise again, just as fall will come again soon, and we will all be back together. I wish you a wonderful Together Tuesday, and I will see you again soon.